special gift for you guys. It's very unusual and you could consider it as a gift. And like the gift will be sharing our secret for how we do tonic facial wash. So
we start by picking some garden flowers.
So we each pick 3 flowers.
So we're going to pick 3 heads of flowers.
So here we have 3 sunflowers, only the heads.
Go backward
There's
into the
no stems. We have 6 daisy-looking flowers.
Don't squish them.
So now we have a shredder and a piece of cucumber. We're going to shred it very carefully. And because shredders can cut your fingers sometimes, and it's very dangerous for little children, you can always use a knife, and here we're using a shredder.
We just need small pieces of cucumber. They can use a knife, different types of shredders, like they could be like wooden or something. And if you don't know how to use any, or your mom doesn't allow you, you can ask your mom to do it for you so you can get small pieces of cucumber and still do it.
Now we got a big bowl of water, like a bowl of water. Make it not reach the full top, maybe like halfway of the bowl. Now we're going to grab cucumbers and we're going to put it in the water. We're going to grab flowers and we're going to also place them in the water. Now, since we put our flowers in the water, they have to soak for 1 hour. But while we're waiting, we're going to stir all of it up with water. Make sure it soaks for 1 hour. So make sure you have enough water for all the things. We're also putting more inside, so you have to make sure you have enough water. We also have these things. Later on, we'll be pouring it into here. Make sure you have this ice container for all the water.
Okay, so now I'm pouring my cucumbers in here and my sunflowers in there. Well, like daisy-looking flowers. There. Now we mix it.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you haven't seen this video yet, please leave a like down below. So if you shredded your cucumber, you can let it soak for less than an hour because it already gave off its juice. But if you cut the cucumber into slices, you have to be sure to soak it longer. Okay, after you let it soak, we grab a small ladle.
So instead of just putting the flowers in, you rip the petals off. You put it in the water, and you put this part, like, you can throw away. Don't put it in your mixture.
Make sure to have a napkin or a paper towel nearby. This will be messy, but it's okay because we'll wash our hands later on in this video.
Yeah, we got all of them because we had six flowers. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, after we did that, we're going to grab our ladle and pour it in the containers to make our ice cubes.
It's okay if you get some like right here. It's okay. Just like make sure. That's just water.
You can use your fingers to help you have in each ice cube like petals and slices of cucumber. Make sure every single one has a petal and a cucumber.
Well, at least.
So we're going to use this tonic water ice cubes to wash our face later on in this video to make our face smooth for the next video we do when we put on makeup. This makes your skin very smooth and tight, and it's very healthy and good for your face. You don't want to have too much makeup, like I was saying. This could, like how we always put on makeup, it's a little bad for our skin if you put it on every day, and this is very healthy for our skin. So we could
Oh yeah, everything's water.
So we always
My thing is all full of water. See, even this.
So we always have to be sure
I got water
that we're
everywhere.
very careful with what we do with makeup. So I'm cleaning up right now, but you want to be sure to check on your ice cubes at 6 to 8 hours. Or you can also do it overnight, maybe even the next day. But you can always check on it earlier to see if your ice cubes are ready. But we wouldn't recommend doing it like before 6 to 8 hours or even overnight, because then it's a possible chance that either it looks like it's ready, but it's actually water, or it could, like, it wouldn't be too good because you could do a bigger mix.
So this is the next day, and as you see, it's all frozen like this. Just not water. And in case if it doesn't come out, you can just wiggle your tray. I already did that, so I'm not going to do it now because that's some are already like popping out. Okay, so you take hold on. This is spinning. So I take one and then I put it into a bag, so every day I could wash my face with it. Okay, So now we got it. And I'm going to grab another one so I can. So we took one from a bag, like from this ice tray. We dumped it all in the bag, and I took one and we put the bag in the freezer so it doesn't melt. And now we're going to grab this and wash it all over our face. Be sure to have a napkin and I guess a massage. Oh, that's so cold. Protect your hair from getting wet by putting bandanas on. Okay, if you don't want it to be too cold, do it really fast. Very fast. That's cold. Okay, so now you wipe your face off. Don't wipe it like scrub it. You can just stab it. My napkin got wet. Now take face massager and massage your face. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll be vibrating, but it's totally fine. Thank you for watching our special gift for you guys about how to make tonic water face wash and how it soothes your skin. Don't eat it, but you can lick just a little bit a spot where there's no flowers. Because cucumbers, you can eat cucumbers. But since there is sunflowers in it, make sure not to lick or eat a sunflower. Bye! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.